Good evening, everyone. Welcome for today's episode. And today we will start with Bitcoin kicking off. This is last week's chart, and we will see what happened. This week we had a nice upwards rally. Yeah, as predicted. It stopped around the 21,400 area. Now it's looking for a pullback. I will remove the old drawings. Up. As you can see here, for now, this is a rejection from here, but the momentum is upwards. So this is very important. What will happen? Will we maintain the upwards momentum and hold around the 20,700? Yeah. If we hold the 20,700, then most likely we will see higher levels, 22,000 and higher. And if not, let me draw the possible scenarios for now. A pullback to the start of the impulse and another try to break. This one is still valid here. So a small pullback till 20,700 and a push for higher levels. Pullback and another rejection. And probably a lower test around 19,250. So that's for today here. So this is important. What will happen here? Will we manage to find support high here around 20,780? And if not, then we will have the other scenarios. Yes. Okay, from Bitcoin we will go to Ethereum. No, I didn't chart this one. Yeah, this is the chart from last week. So what happened? We had also an upwards rally. Let me see. The scenarios remain similar. Let me see. Yes, nothing much changed here. We have the same problem here. This is still a rejection. Let's see if we can maintain support high above 1400, 1420 somewhere. If so, we can try to break it again, to break the 1720 level again. If we look back on the weekly chart, then you can see that the 1700 area is very important. Here it held support, held support, held support, it held support, and now it is resistance. So for Ethereum, this is it for this week. These are the possible scenarios to play. From Ethereum, we will go to ApeCoin. I posted this one earlier this week on Twitter. For those who are not following me on Twitter, please add me on Twitter so you can have some daily content there. I will post daily charts. And this one was one of the posts of this week. There are two possible scenarios for now. As you can see, we had some compression, and now we did try to break our last high. The last high is here around $5, but for now it failed to break. So we will most likely have a pullback to the start of the impulse, and that is around $4.18. But if we succeed to break the level now, that's also still possible, then we test the $5.90 and probably have a pullback around $5.04. So we have a low, a high, higher low, and probably go for a higher high somewhere around 750. So these are the two possible scenarios for now. From ape, we will go to audio. Okay, let me draw in some levels. This is the weekly chart. Now we are at the daily chart. I hope you guys have had a wonderful week. It's getting cold here. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button if you like this content. Okay, we had a nice upwards rally. We managed to gain our last drop-off point. The last drop-off point was here, around 22 cents. And yesterday was the gain. Yeah, this is the gain, daily gain. And now we're testing this area between 24 and 27. Okay. Yeah. So what can we expect here? We can expect a pullback and a test of the 27.8 area. Or a push, pullback, and also test around 27.8. Yeah. This is the low, a high, and probably we will look for a higher low now. I think this one is nice, around 20 cents. This is the most likely scenario, I think. Yeah. Okay. That was audio. what you guys want to see. From audio we go to near. I will start drawing in some levels at the weekly chart. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the daily, see what we can find here. Okay. Try to break this drop off point before. Is this a bottoming out? Yes or no? Okay. What do we have? What do we have? We have a rejection from our last drop off point for now, around $3.38, but we also see we have a low, high, and higher low, high, high, daily gain from the last higher high. So the momentum is still upwards. The construction is upwards, but be aware of the rejection of the last drop-off point. We'll probably try to find support around $3.09 and try to push another break here. So we will probably try to find support around the $3.09. Try to break it again. If we fail, then we will go back to the start of the impulse around $2.75 and try to build upwards momentum again from there. Or we have our pullback again, another pullback, and I try to push to around the $4.05 area. So these are two scenarios, and the last one is we will go back to the start of the impulse and break from here and push from here. These are the three scenarios for NAIR. Yeah. Okay. So I want to thank you guys for watching this week's video. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and if you like this content, please come back next week. Have a nice evening. Cheers. Bye bye.